Hello, my name is Verena Ramirez Campos. I am the head of U.S. Medical Affairs at Teva. I think Austedo as a VMAT2 inhibitor has brought that innovation and a solution for TD. I think that in general, TD, it's still underdiagnosed, underrecognized, undertreated. But with Austedo as an option and being a molecule that provides great efficacy with a very good tolerability profile, and let's say the sum of phase 3 data, phase 4 real world that we just discussed, long-term data, with all of this body of evidence, it has really brought forward a solution for physicians, both neurologists and psychiatrists, to provide a tool, a very relevant tool for the treatment of TD. So overall, I think it has advanced the understanding of movement disorders, the treatment in TD, the options for these patients, the quality of life for them, the hopes for both patients and physicians. I think there is still a lot more to do, but I am very pleased to see the very good outcomes that Austedo has, as I said, both in interventional and non-interventional studies, both in phase 3 and phase 4, in terms of its efficacy, its effectiveness, and its safety. So in terms of the future of TD, as I said, I think there is still a wide opportunity for HCPs, companies as a whole, advocacy groups as a whole, all of us working together to raise the understanding of TD, to raise the understanding of the impact TD has, to also elevate the interest in this area as an important part of movement disorders and as a prevalent condition within patients with mental health disorders. So I'm hopeful that efforts continue to be there from a very diverse group, if you want, in terms of industry, patients groups, HCPs, researchers, so in general. That's what I'm hoping for the future of TD. And then in terms of Austedo per se, or what I want to see with Austedo, we will continue to grow our real-world evidence portfolio. One of them is, of course, Impact Part B, which is Austedo in the real world prospectively. How is this molecule performing for our patients? So that's a very important thing that I want to see with large number of patients. But also we are looking at other outcomes in the real world with Austedo, many of them related to differentiation for this molecule, related to patterns of treatment and how it could be applied to different subpopulations and subgroups, how it can be used when you're switching from one agent to another. So how it can also improve other areas within TD, meaning some of the comorbidities these patients have, for example. So again, we are looking into different aspects of Austedo in the real world. That's something that we're going to focus in the future. And moreover, long-term understanding, it's also something that we will continue to explore as we make more analysis